Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are doing great in your studies. And today we will be studying second topic of embryology according to NCERT syllabus, that is embryo and fetus, sperm and ovum, fertilization and cleavage. Now we will be covering all the points in a concise way. We will stick to NCERT syllabus and we will study only those points which are important from exam point of view and study that much which is important for our examinations. So our first topic is embryo and fetus. Now let's study what is embryo. An embryo is a formed an embryo is formed by the repeated cell division of zygote. इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि zygote जो बनता है उसका जब सेल डिवीजन रिपीटेडली होता जाता है तब उसे एम्ब्रियो कहा जाता है. मतलब एन एम्ब्रियो इज फॉर्म बाय द रिपीटेड सेल डिवीजन ऑफ zygote. Clear? Then second point is an embryo is an unborn baby in the uterus in early stages of development. मतलब एम्ब्रियो अनबॉर्न बेबी है जो यूटरस में प्रेजेंट है और ये अर्ली स्टेजेस ऑफ डेवलपमेंट में होता है. अर्ली स्टेजेस यानी कि अप टू 8 वीक्स ऑफ प्रेगनेंसी. इजी. एम्ब्रियो वो होता है एक अनबॉर्न बेबी, किस में होता है? यूट्रस में. और इसकी स्टेजेस होती है अप टू 8 वीक्स ऑफ प्रेगनेंसी. इजी. देन वी विल बी लर्निंग अबाउट फीटस. अ फीटस इज फॉर्म बाय द ग्रोथ एंड डेवलपमेंट ऑफ एन एम्ब्रियो. मतलब पहले तो एम्ब्रियो क्या था कि रिपीटेड सेल डिवीजन ऑफ zygote. अब फीटस वो है कि जो एम्ब्रियो के ग्रोथ एंड डेवलपमेंट के बाद बनता है उसे फीटस कहा जाता है. और फीटस इज़ फॉर्म बाय द ग्रोथ एंड डेवलपमेंट ऑफ एन एम्ब्रियो. मतलब जब एम्ब्रियो का ग्रोथ होता है, डेवलपमेंट होती है, तब फीटस बनता है. क्लियर? देन सेकेंड पॉइंट इन फीटस इज ऑल्सो एन अनबॉर्न बेबी like embryo, but it is also present in uterus but in the later stages of development. Here embryo is present in the early stages of development, unlike embryo later stage it is present in later stages of development, which is from 8th week till birth. Embryo was up to 8 weeks of pregnancy, but fetus is from 8th week of pregnancy till the birth of an human or till the birth of baby. Then third point is embryo and fetus both are multicellular. Embryo and fetus both are multicellular. What points did we cover? First, embryo is formed by the repeated cell division of zygote. Second, embryo is an unborn baby in the uterus in the early stages of development up to 8 weeks and it is multicellular. A fetus is formed by the growth and development of an embryo. मतलब जब एम्ब्रियो का ग्रोथ और डेवलपमेंट होता है तब फीटस बनता है. सेकेंड, अ फीटस इज एन अनबॉर्न बेबी इन द यूट्रस इन द लेटर स्टेजेस ऑफ डेवलपमेंट. मतलब कि जो लेटर स्टेज होता है एम्ब्रियो का, जब वो डेवलप होता है उसे फीटस कहा जाता है और वो स्टेजेस लेटर स्टेज होती है आफ्टर 8 टू टिल बर्थ. उसके बाद आज हमारा सेकेंड पॉइंट है स्पर्म एंड ओवम. नाउ दिस वी हैड स्टडीड वाइल स्टडिंग नीट, बट टुडे अगेन वी विल बी कवरिंग दिस पॉइंट. ओवम इज द फीमेल गैमीट, sperm is the male gamete. This we all know. Then ovum is non-motile, no motion, no motility. Sperm is motile, and sperm is motile with the help of flagella. It has motion, so it's called motile, and it doesn't have motion, ovum, so it's called non-motile. Ovum are produced in the ovary of female. Sperm are produced in the testes of male. Then mitochondria of ovum is scattered in the cytoplasm. ओवम के जो सेल्स का माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया होता है वो साइटोप्लाज्म में फैला हुआ रहता है. अनलाइक ओवम, माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया इज सेंट्रली लोकेटेड. स्पर्म का जो माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया होता है वो सेंटर में ही लोकेट करता है, सेल के सेंटर में ही होता है, वो साइटोप्लाज्म में फैला हुआ नहीं होता. देन ओवम कंटेन्स ओनली X क्रोमोसोम, sperm contains X and Y chromosomes. Easy. Then centriole, that is center of nucleus. Center of nucleus is absent in ovum. Centriole, center of nucleus, is present in ovum. Then one oogonium produces only one ovum. जो एक oogoनियम होता है वो एक ही ओवम प्रोड्यूस करता है, लेकिन वन स्पर्मेटोगोनियम प्रोड्यूसेस 4 स्पर्म्स. 1 and 4. इट इज़ द लार्जेस्ट सेल ऑफ द ह्यूमन बॉडी. ओवम हमारे बॉडी का, ह्यूमन फीमेल बॉडी का लार्जेस्ट सेल होता है. अनलाइक दैट इट इज़ द स्पर्म आर द स्मॉलेस्ट सेल ऑफ द ह्यूमन बॉडी. What all points did we cover? Ovum is the female gamete, sperm is the male gamete. Ovums are non-motile, sperm is motile due to flagella. Then ovums are produced in ovary, sperms are produced in testes. Mitochondria of ovum is scattered in cytoplasm. Mitochondria is centrally located. It has only X chromosome. It has X and Y chromosomes. Centriole is absent in ovum. Centriole is present in ovum. One oogonium produces only one ovum. One spermatogonium produces 4 sperms. It is the largest cell of the human body, and sperms are the smallest cell of the human body. Clear? Easy? Then we have third point, that is fertilization. Now fertilization is the process of fusion. Fusion of what? Fusion or union of spermatozoa with mature ovum. What is fertilization? The process of fusion. Fusion यानी कि मिलना या यूनियन, एक होना. किसका? स्पर्मेटोजोआ का और ओवम का. स्पर्मेटोजोआ क्या है? मेल gamete and mature ovum is female gamete. This process is known as conception, fertilization or impregnation. What is this process called? Fertilization. Fertilization is also known as conception or impregnation. Then this process forms a fertilized mononucleated, मतलब एक न्यूक्लियस वाला सेल प्रोड्यूस करता है जिस सेल को जाइगोट कहा जाता है. Easy. This produces the fertilized single mononucleated cell called zygote. What did we study in this point? The process of fusion or union of spermatozoa with the mature ovum is known as conception, fertilization or impregnation. This produces the fertilized mononucleated, mono means one, mononucleated cell called zygote. Then our fourth point and the last point for our today's video is cleavage. Now what is cleavage? Cleavage is a series of mitotic division. What is cleavage? Cleavage is series of mitotic division. जब mitotic division series में होता है, कंटिन्यू होता रहता है रिपीटेडली, तब उसे क्लीवेज कहा जाता है. और ये सेल की ग्रोथ नहीं होती, इसमें सेल की ग्रोथ नहीं होती है. Easy. So what points did we cover today? Embryo and fetus. An embryo is formed by the repeated cell division of zygote, and fetus is formed by the growth and development of embryo. Second, an embryo is an unborn baby in the uterus in the early stages of development up to 8 weeks. Fetus is an unborn baby in the uterus in the later stages of development after 8 weeks till birth. Then both of them are multicellular. Second point we covered is sperm and ovum. Ovum is female gamete, sperm is male gamete. Ovum is non-motile, sperms are motile, produce in ovary, then produce in testes. Mitochondria is scattered in cytoplasm. Mitochondria is centrally located. Contains X chromosome, contains X and Y chromosomes. Centriole is absent in ovum, centriole is present in ovum. One oogonium produces one ovum. One oogonium produces 4 sperms. One spermatogonium produces 4 sperms. Then ovum is the largest cell of the female body, and sperm are the smallest cell of the human body. Easy. Then fertilization, the process of union or fusion of the spermatozoa with the mature ovum is known as conception, fertilization or impregnation. This produces the fertilized single mononucleated cell called the zygote, और इससे इस प्रोसेस से मोनोन्यूक्लिएटेड सेल बनता है जिसको zygote कहा जाता है. फिर क्लीवेज इज द सीरीज ऑफ माइटोटिक डिवीजन विदाउट द सेल ग्रोथ. फॉर टुडेज वीडियो we have covered all these points. In the next video we will be covering further points. If you like the video, do hit the like, share and subscribe button. Thank you all for watching my video.